So this is Leaving Certificate Foundation Level Maths, the 2019 paper, question 10. So students in a maths class were asked to collect and represent data for a project on statistics. Emily collected the data on shoe size of 28 male students. The data is shown in the table as follows. So one student was shoe size 4, 3 students were shoe size 5, 8 students were shoe size 6, 9 students were shoe size 7, 5 students were shoe size 8, and 2 students were shoe size 9. Draw a bar chart on the grid below to represent the data. Now, if some of you are working out of the papers and you have the solutions, this is the solutions in the paper. I don't recommend you do the bar chart that way. That looks too much like a histogram. When you're doing a bar chart, it should be like this. Okay, the bars should be separate. They should not be joined together. When they're joined together, that's a histogram, and you're asked to draw a bar chart. So make sure there's a gap between each of your bars, and like see here, the way it's not connected to the sideline. Okay, it's not connected to the y-axis. So make sure it's not connected to the y-axis and that there's a space in between each of your bars. And then this is how you draw the bar chart. So you look at the table and it says your shoe size, this goes along the bottom. Okay, and your number of students, this goes along the side. So you start with your shoe size. So shoe size 4, and it's 1 student, so you draw it up to 1. We'll wait for that bleep to stop. Okay, shoe size 5 is 4 students. Shoe size 6 is 8 students. Shoe size 7 is 9 students. And shoe size 8 is 5 students. And shoe size 9 is 2 students. Okay, and that's how you draw your bar chart. What is the mode of the shoe size data? That means what size shoe is repeated most often. And when you have a bar chart, you look for the tallest bar in your bar chart, and that'll give you the mode. So the tallest chart here is shoe size number 7. So your answer is shoe size number 7. That is the mode of the shoe size data. Okay, and it's always the tallest bar. So next we have Jason collected data on the favourite sports of a group of boys, and the results are showing in the pie chart below. So you have 96 degrees play rugby, 84 degrees play basketball, X degrees play football, and 60 degrees is represented by other short sports. So the first thing you're asked to do is find the value of X, the missing angle. So first of all, add all the angles that you do know. So your 60 degrees, your 84 degrees, and your 96 degrees. Add them all together and you get 240. Now, that's the angles you have, so you need to find the missing angle. So get the angles that's in a full circle, which is 360 degrees. Subtract all the angles that you know, and what you're left with, 120 degrees, is your missing angle X. So your answer is X is 120 degrees. Next, there are 30 boys in total in the group. Find the number of boys who said that rugby was their favourite sport. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to find out what percentage of boys said that rugby was their favourite sport. And once you have that percentage, get that percent of the total. So first of all, let's find out. So it says here, rugby is 96 degrees. So to get that into a percentage, you get 96 and you divide it by 360, which is the total number of degrees in an angle. So basically, what you're saying is that it is 96 out of 360. Okay? And 96 out of 360 is 96 divided by 360. And that gives you 0.266. To change that into percentage, you simply multiply it by 100, because there's always a whole amount is 100%, and that gives you 26.6%. Now, once you know that 26.6% of the boys played rugby, you simply get the total number of your boys, that's 30, divided by 100 and multiply it by 26.6, and you get 7.98 boys. Now, you never have 7.98 of a person, so you want to get to the nearest whole number, and the nearest whole number in this case is 8. So your answer is 8 boys played rugby.